Sony taking another L. Yeah, that's pretty much 2026 in the general. Listen, the whole DRM situation was crazy. Then you got Sony now refusing to sell any more games on PC. So now all their games will exclusively be on the PS5 and PS5 Pro, eventually the PS6. And now they're doing something interesting with their subscription service. Oh, wait, I did forget one. They also have that dynamic pricing or whatever, where if you haven't bought something in a long time, you're going to see a bigger sale on an item than someone who maybe is a loyal customer and is always buying stuff. Yeah, so now they got this, which is starting May 20th, PlayStation Plus for new customers. So apparently this does not impact current customers. This just impacts new customers. It's going up $1. That really is all that it is. So they're increasing the price of PlayStation Plus by $1 per month due to, as they say, marketing conditions, which I think is the stupidest thing ever. What is marketing conditions, dude? I have no idea what they even fathom to see what that says. Microsoft, they increased the price of Xbox, the Game Pass Ultimate, right? And they got backlash. People were upset. They updated, I believe they increased that by what, $10? And people were outraged. Guess what Microsoft just did? They decreased it. They put the price back down after people got upset. They tried increasing and making more money. The consumer said, nope, we're not accepting that, bud. And they said, okay, fine, we're going to decrease it back down to what it was. What are you doing? What is this? And back to what it was, by the way, they decreased it even more than what it was. Sony, what are you doing? So, market condition. What is market conditions? I get it, like, with the PS5, like, oh, well, we increased the price of the PS5, PS5 Pro, because of the fact when we build these items, the price of the components have gone up. The RAM has caused, AI has caused all these components to go up in price. We just simply can't build it for the same price that we built it at one point. I understand that, and I don't respect that, because I feel like most of these companies, their margins are stupidly outrageous, and if their margins aren't continuously stupid outrageous, they will refuse in every way to ever help out the consumer. Although, I will say for consoles, like you go back to the PS3 sold as a loss. And most Xboxes also sell as a loss. What they get you is like the gaming accessories and the games. That's where they make up their money. So if you ever wonder, most consoles, they don't really even make that much money on. It's really just the gaming accessories. That's like the $60 headset, the, $70 controller. That's where these companies make their bread and butter. And then the games, obvious, as well. But I get the consoles, okay? I understand the concept of the consoles. But when it comes to, like, PlayStation Plus, what are you marketing conditions that it needs to be $1 more? That you're like, we need to just really rinse out a extra dollar from people per month. For what reason? It's just stupid. All you're doing is you have all these other issues with DRM and all the other crap, and then you're just adding on to it. It's almost like to a point where I feel like some of these companies, and I'm not saying Sony's doing this, but I do feel like there's a point where any publicity is considered good publicity. Even bad publicity is considered good publicity because it means people are talking about you. Your name's getting out there. There's constant conversation about you. And I feel like to some of these companies, they see that as, okay, as long as people are talking about us and, saying stuff about us, this gives us the ability to constantly be, name recognition. So they do stupid stuff like this because, again, $1 a month extra is nothing, okay? At the end of the day, it's nothing. But there's no point to do it. That's the whole situation. And someone said blaming market conditions is insane. It should be free to play online without paywalls in 2026. Which, if you're on PC, yeah. But if you're on PlayStation, they're gonna rinse you for every dollar you can get. If you have any extra like a penny in your pocket, they want that penny. They're not messing around.